Annual general meeting of the Crystal Telecom Limited that was held last week approved a proposal to dissolve the company and distribute the shares held in MTN as excess assets to the shareholders after payments of all the company's liabilities. According to Isa Irame, CEO of the Crystal Telecom, shareholders of CTL will get equivalent shares at MTN Rwanda when the listing happens on a one-to-one basis.
CTL is currently listed on the Rwanda Stock Exchange, holding 20% of MTN shares. We've gotten approval during our General Assembly from the shareholders to delist upon listing of MTN, and each and every shareholder will receive 1 share of MTN for every share they hold in CTL.
For CTL to delist from the Rwanda Stock Exchange, MTN's intention to list must first be approved. When? Celeste Rugwabukumba, CEO of the Rwanda Stock Exchange, explains more.
We will be announcing and listing officially MTN Rwanda sale, including the 80% belonging to MTN Group, to be listed on the Rwanda Stock Exchange as an entire company. And the pricing, of course, and all that goes with it will be determined depending on the valuation of MTN Rwanda sale as a whole, which we don't know right now because the valuation has to be announced. It is still confidential information, but we also have a price which is known to the public. The 20% of MTN through the CTL holding, the price which was given by the market is known.
Market practitioners commend this move, saying it is a room for MTN to improve its performance and an added opportunity for investors.
Going to own shares directly to MTN. Unlike before, they used to be indirectly shareholders of MTN through the Crystal Telecom. Then for now, they're going to be buying shares directly in MTN. Then regarding the MTN itself, it is going to have international exposure because some international investors, they'll be able to buy now shares directly into MTN.
In the last World Bank's Doing Business report, Rwanda declined from position 29 to 38, a thing that the experts attributed to the fact that Rwanda did not have at least 10 companies listed on the stock exchange. However, with the new kid on the block, that is set to change. Reporting for RTV News, I'm FIONA MBABAZI.